Hello everyone and welcome. Today I am thrilled to introduce you to our investment banking program, where we embark on a journey to master advanced financial modeling, obtain recognized industrial credentials, and distinguish ourselves as top valuation expert. Hi, I am Vikas, co-founder and CFO at edZeb. I am a passionate educator and have trained more than 5,000 students across CFA and financial modeling over the last 7 years. Let us explore what this program includes. We will be covering a comprehensive range of topics to equip you with the skills needed in dynamic finance industry. Our primary objective include mastering financial modeling, proficiency in Microsoft Excel, accounting principles, financial statement analysis, corporate finance, equity valuation, credit underwriting, and derivative trading. We are committed to provide you with the robust skill set that would set you apart within the overall finance landscape. Who this program ideal for? Well, if you are a student aspiring to build a career in finance, then this would be a perfect fit for you. Whether you are currently pursuing or have completed degrees such as BCom, BBA, CA, ACCA, CFA, FRM, MBA in finance, or Masters in finance, this program caters to your needs. Upon completion, you can target various roles including financial analyst, credit manager, investment analyst, valuation analyst, equity research analyst, and many more. The opportunities are vast and exciting. These roles aren't limited to specific sectors. You could find yourself in banking, credit rating firms, consulting firms, investment firms, valuation firms, and corporate finance department, just to name a few. Let us take a sneak peek into the curriculum. We will cover everything from fundamentals of financial modeling to advanced topics like valuation techniques and industry-specific modeling. Each module is designed to provide you with practical knowledge and application to real-world simulated scenarios. The course offers flexibility. You can choose between attending physical classes or joining online sessions via Zoom. Live class recordings are also provided for those who might not be able to attend the class for various reasons. The batch runs for 30 days with more than 200 hours of training. Post completion of the program, our dedicated in-house placement team would handhold you through a comprehensive interview preparation process. At edZeb, we provide our students 100% job assistance. With a strong network of 150 plus hiring partners and company, dedicated placement team, alumni network, we provide our students pan-India opportunities across industries and different job profiles. So, if you are ready to take the leap of faith and take your finance career to the next level, join us in our highly sought after investment banking program. Let us start it to unlock your full potential together.